Presenting a 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $10,000, is a classic coupe model with a 201V engine. It has clocked 78,000 original miles and is in good running condition. However, it lacks air conditioning. The car boasts a new jet black paint job and is free from rust. The undercarriage is in good shape, and it sports new Cooper Cobra tires and wheels, which have seen less than 100 miles of use. All the chrome parts are new, as is the exhaust. The interior is in excellent condition, with no cracks in the dashboard, new carpeting, and new trim. While it has been a fun restoration project, there are still areas that need attention. The drum brakes will need to be replaced, and it requires a new transmission pan gasket due to a slow leak. Despite these minor issues, the car is solid and in very good shape overall. The 1976 Ford Maverick Grabber, priced at $5,500, is an original stock model in orange with black trim. It's equipped with a 250 cubic inch, 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. The car is operational and drivable. The body of the car is straight and maintains its original paint. It has been an Arizona car for the past 30 years. All the trim is intact, but there is minor damage to the rear body and the fabric top cover is missing. The odometer of the car shows a reading of 76,685 miles. The 1967 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $9,500, is a classic piece of automotive history. This model is equipped with a 390 big block engine and factory-installed air conditioning. The interior of the car is noted for its cleanliness, featuring power seats and windows. Remarkably, even the original radio is still functional. The body of the car is free from rust, although it does bear a few dents. Despite these minor imperfections, this Thunderbird remains a clean, well-preserved vehicle, ideal for leisurely weekend drives. The 1961 AMC Rambler Classic Super, listed at $8,500, is a vintage automobile that has been well preserved. This original 1961 Rambler Super is in excellent condition, with a clean exterior free of dents and only a touch of surface rust. The car features a push-button shifting mechanism that functions as expected, and the brights are in great shape. Under the hood, the original motor starts up immediately, although it may require some carburetor adjustments. The car has a clean title and current tags. The price is negotiable, but the seller is not interested in trades.